It's time for Lee's 3 with Keith Byers, presented by Lee's Famous Recipe Chicken.
How you doing? I'm Keith Byers, and this is my Lee's 3 top 3 quarterbacks headed into the 2020 NFL season.
Number 3.
I have number 3, Russell Wilson. Only reason why he's number 3 because he's finished number 3 this past season in 2019. But what Russell Wilson is doing and has done in Seattle his whole career, hopefully they get him some more help, a few more weapons, and he may rise from 3 up into number 1.
Number 2.
Lamar Jackson. I know you probably thought I was going to say another name, but it's Lamar Jackson, the MVP of the NFL this past regular season, and he's going to try to repeat for MVP once again. He's just had a tremendous, tremendous season. I know all offseason teams are going to try to figure out ways to defend him, but right now, Lamar Jackson is number 2 on my list.
Number 1.
Another MVP, not a league MVP, but the Super Bowl MVP, Pat Mahomes. Only 3 years into his NFL career, he's already won league MVP, now Super Bowl MVP. He is the number 1 quarterback headed into the 2020 regular season. Now, exciting time for all quarterbacks, but these 3 in particular are the best 3 quarterbacks in the National Football League right now.
It's time for Lee's 3 with Keith Byers, presented by Lee's Famous Recipe Chicken.